Right, there we go. I'm gonna take off this wheel over here. After take off that wheel, I'm gonna change the brake pads on the left side. We did the driver's side, now we're gonna do the left passenger side. As you can see, the car's over there. I'm gonna take off the wheel in a minute and change the pads on the passenger side. It's a nice 206 1.1 litre, very economical. Bit messy inside, it's got all my gear, but we're gonna get it sorted out, cleaned up, all the tools, everything inside. I'm gonna bring it back to life. Alright, tires off, taking off the wheel. Now it's time to take off the caliper. Got a nut here, that's a bit hard, so we're going to spray it up so it can get loose a little bit, then remove it. See that? So it's another nut over here, and that's what we're going to remove. So you can see this, so the brake pad is, and that's gone. You can see that. So those are the nuts I'm going to remove, and I'll show you when I've taken it off. It's a pity I can't do it while recording because I'm by myself here, but I'll try my best anyway.